Guys, very short video how to do brake change for the Nissan Rogue. Tool you need for the rear. It's legit only a 14mm socket. Check out the car properly, support it. This isn't right, but I'm doing it super fast. You just take off these two bolts. It's on the caliper itself, here and here, 14mm. Let's take the bottom one off first, and then it slides off. The top one you can't slide off because the brake line is here, which is really stupid design. Good job, Nissan. I'm gonna slide that bitch off. Yeah. Ooh, I like that sound. And then from here, you can do it right there. This is, actually you need a clamp too. You compress this in. So I have a C-clamp. You can also use the old brake pads so it goes down evenly. Place it here. And then clamp it. And then compress back in. Before you do that, make sure you have the brake thing open, or else you throw air into the system, and then when you do that, the food should rise up. And be careful, it might overflow. Clamp setup. Finish. That pretty much concludes the job. Next step is to clean up all this mess, and if they have hardware, change out the hardware. New hardware. New brake pad. So there's a little thing in here. That one goes in the inside. Kind of have the brakes like that, kind of sitting in, and just sandwich it in. And you should just slide right in. Oh, good. There you go. Next step, throwing it back on, greasing these sides. This step isn't necessary, but I think it's really the best part to making your brake job really good. It's bleeding brakes. This little pump, really cheap. There's a bleeder valve. Just loosen it and then drain it out. Hey guys, moving on to the front. Same tool you require, 14mm. Isn't that convenient? Same thing. Take off 2 bolts on the caliper. Here. And one right below it.